Abisa for your mama kwaba e na chire de pa. Praise apart from there no so ne ekoso wa ha no unimuntia e say Friday ni green no ye to answer the Ghana community to answer mom na so answer na no ma ekua minta tete ekua ekua nyamfie nsia na ne din mu adura nkasa ekua minta tete wanyamfie nsia enefiu papa Alex tete ekua that is your do or say onyankopon hira ye die ne promprom ye ema say oma unyi na beye obapa and I say me dedication of the day and my favorite dedication ye happy birthday to Sewako to Asari of KNUST from your brother Eric Asari of KNUST and family no so sa omo KNUST obi ana sister here the entire me den Eric Asari no UTV how o em say sa me nim say afedi sa o ko KNUST okay nti we no enhance o say we wish you ya bi shira any yedie Eric Asari of KNUST, maybe UTV KNUST, no. Asari. And then someone yeba be dream no, yeba aba be say. And minority a press conference. Now one say dear. Womu say still as that a mama can Ghana for crimes woma bre but enro mu san kai say family and friends it's an enkrata na de buy and this is shapes a Kufuor's family and friends government bear described it as the most nepotistic in the world and what ruling party name so mampani unim so kwa probo or that's why our Volta region no so asomodi to Jane say onyankopon timu nya den unyame ye udini so obesiama NDC aba aban mu enti eno so krata ne dia ba chronicle say God we the America for the ni bia God will not be wicked to bring back NDC president says so enti emienu no afa ye be hwe BNI for to say ne lawyer Martin Kpebu kasa ye wo ye lawyer ni ema ACP Dr. Benjamin Agozo na enra no mama ni be wo se na so ye so mo kokoto si we ye court a omo ba bi omo kọ no lower court ho nso ni tumi so obema bill nti de obeka omo kọ kase ye pamochew mom yensan fa no ntum na yentu aye nhwehwemu no eso ene wo se posifo no etietia papa no fa ho de so ene o masan akofa kane IGP ne executive secretary eye owura tobu enso account ni nyina yesa ku ensensem na ho wo se ye di koko sika no $600 million ye de bekwa kotoko amankwada adi ye de biso be twa koko agu ye de biso be yensiesie but minority ni say woni say the minority ni kan wo mu say aban de sasa no koto chocolate ama school for nkwada edi ena Dr. Joseph Wanyedu na Mr. Joseph Wanyedu Cocoa Boy CEO nso say nyesa for cocoa product consumption enso sinene ne say nti anopai we ne bedi mu nkomo enne no crew ne say ya bono cocos yes bono cocos fi say bono regional chairman ema NPP ya eyowura Kwame Bafo yesa ne mrane say abronye oh I see and Bono Deputy Regional Communications Officer Emma NDC Eric Ej ono oyesuma krache senko jejemire janka friend jejemire jabruni but usumanti suma krache ono so ewa I see and eja Bono East so representing the capital Mesumini ada musi Bono East amana there be say two and enti nka mu na nka ebeyi ba kofi koma ya bunu fotu enti nka hafo ba ya na nka bunu is
aza onzo mu yetu producer yere so firi bunu is
wa
ne mu droba
ajo atifie edwe ne ho o koka ajo ja no onwe no enti na ya bunu kokos but ye be ya adwuma no se de ye no pepepe ene so de time ne kona ya bo anisa enti se de aye ne oh ene production no mu ni se meto time so it's understandable matompa na ya bo de ne debi be pon be 10:30 bra oh 90 half na ye na nya ode Want you won't.
That's that time I'm here.
Health, no.
Yeah, near to come.
Okay.
Cambiano.
Kwame dear no, Kwame what health no.
Oh, madam, TV. Say, madness, I send the year here.
There be no young madness.
Oh,
I dream simple.
I didn't want some say.
Thank you. I dream one some dear.
Never can want some to manage.
Why are dear? It's here damas. Yes, yeah.
And I never can.
Eh.
It be our dreaming count.
Aha, me man bapomu adwene mu apomu den.
Oh, okay.
Nka bibi yawa.
Rebecca.
Brahma wani na wate. Wanya fufu animu a. Gwa fufu. Wunya gwa fufu die. Eti mu ma yan shase Kwame. BNI for ne wowura yi Dr. Gozo said the graphic edibaye no. Lawyer no feel say omuni ni yi o because as of now no yen charge no.
Me da se bebre. Ma memfa akwanya we na menchia wahwefo ba bia o kese no ekoduru bia ya ma omunyina achi. The issue about coup protest and is Ghana mine egusuli edi achire because initially assembly by and a man for binum babe rashi ebe rabishe ne na bien na eye ho adwuma no.
Okay.
But omuntwehwe mu no ene the first 3 year omukọ bien na custody ene recordings e be audio ne voice recordings through that. And now Muguso or Moya or Mojo, Muka said, Chiromoko Nipa 6, or Munina and Crofua or Muguso or Machaji or more. True none on so to say to Safri Coffee Watching. Coffee watching. COP. Tonsafren because BNI Tonsafren because a brown more bought voice in a tea, and it didn't cocoa PM. But they're non say Coffee watching a day. Any movie.
Okay.
But issue be san ba. Say about the rule of natural justice a year juma. Obi betima bo ya akromandino on a particular issue. Ebia na ya akromate onye den. Onim ho hwe.
Okay.
Ehu be hia say ye be frɛ ya akromase o. Nkrofo we hia e omu di nkomo na omu bo wudini ewom nkrofo no onim omo ana. And now you just give your statement say minimum. That is why Kofi Boache kura ba bonten ba beka say sankrofo ne bia no onimomo na ono omo nye de enhia enye nkita hodie bia enti the national security ana bia na afo guso a true nkomodidie ye mobile phone ye usual na ohwe mmere dodo a omode sankro omadi omachi for 15 months na atimanya nkomo obia die on the issue of Tobu our recordings in mu a BNI say or encourage you almost said they should move on. And it is an allegation. If say woman say they should move on there, young criminal code and say you are aiding them to do something. And they or mine mrayede, ebo abira, nesanti eba from waba. Say this is your voice. And voice in be how subject to forensic audit ni ade nyina moma hu say wo voice a wo de ye den wo na wo sha o mon kran so o monye bi na say a security officer and say obi a wa resign free security mo no wo moto a service with integrity and wo no you be if at the end of the day no mo timi substantiate allegation na you be the proper person say because we service with integrity wo mom na be report wo mo to say no onkrofo we activities we sa conspiracy ni abetment no opo say duru honom na say breakdown of the chain of causation no say wa wo no wa nkwa kan still awo ye den o ka ho bie nti no na no bia na eguso omo establish omo fast ma miensa ne nipa nsia bi omo kofa omo nyina they are there omo nyina ka ho bie nti na akwa say bia na is building a solid case and ya unim say criminal case na omo refuse in particular agozo just omo pick no Monday
yes
and na emrane say 48 hours no as I say odi nipa no court yes as a lawyer accused person over lawyer you are expecting say lawyer no and cases ya ba ha bia obafre lawyer bia so far as ya TV ni radio no the only thing that the lawyer no beka akire viewers and now listeners ni say omo abiso me client no financial fundamental human right. That is what every lawyer will say.
Oh, we are sure.
Yes,
but there are instances that lawyers na abo nkrofo abaso say oh the client ni say omo anya ne basa na bibia ye okay mo ka say omo ye omo adwuma ye professionally Martin
Pebuya bra ye chase nkrofo no call BNI custody omugusu ye nhwehwe mu no
Dr. Mark Palm ne nkrofo
no ono aba abonten say yes the BNI ohwe the preliminary investigation na who are starting now they have a case
enti se nesa nipa na wabo maba so pen ebeka se
ana ne client na
se ne nansa de se de omo ne me client
48 hours na be so tamben you can only accuse the BNI say the constitutional say 48 hours no omo mfa nye den omo mfa nye adwuma here is the case here you can say 48 hours na eso a CID no and answer security agency kura be peke no only right to detain you but you do court to say ye investigation now through investigation ye so we are praying to the court to remand you a home no specific
economy na ya asem no adenti na on fa ne court on ka se chinchin court remand but court na tie na so remand na obe remand because lawyer dey feel say omude na call lower court no ehonom no they know very well say on to me my bail any ni jurisdiction so obe my bail enti ene ye new investigation ye san fa no enkotum ade say omoma papa ni bail a obe hinda wo mo investigation na
the moment ya charges bia won the court wa echo.
Okay.
But the moment ya 48 hours in the best one, you say court to be a ben will be and you send the person to whether it's a murder case. You need say district court and try murder case member. You need say district court and try treason case. You need say a case is be high crime in district court no. A bill of indictment in we almost call the higher court. But I'm say the moment you 48 hours in the best no court to be a ben within the jurisdiction, you send the person to na koko drua we no ben there or kwa is a prayer that you are going to make to the court to say ya chi ni person say gusu ye nhwehwemu and there what can we are as the prosecutor ne can we are it's incumbent upon the judge to decide say Mary Mandeno and I'm money bail. In this regard, no matter former charges in your
son, Tientimi can kese. Ebi on so na utimi who say, Ebi anan sense ebi wom, enti omo pese omo ye delay tactics bisa ano. Ye be chiro. Ti I say when you asem ni achi ofie da nwumre do kwa me nda ne kwesi ada tu twiri mu adwoada sometimes it looks as that
we delay tactics bi woman come for mon court and e duru ba bia ye nso na ye miss yes e wo wasem na wo ka no wo kotuturo yen kuro nketoa no mu a district court bi ebetima issue bench warrant say oh obehwehwe abronya achi na na say Adekye ayeden achi no then nipa na odi asem no court no obani courtfo no betima ye negotiation so akwase da ne ho si ye mahin no montete na monche ne Friday na monfa no nkochim the moment a court issue bench warrant no ukokwache nipa na enya wo ayi police officer na wache no na esese wo ye dai wo remand nipa no
okay
eye the court na issue bench warrant so uchi nipa na you send the person to the court say court ni ho na say ye that time court upon wa e dey so ja nipa no but yen lawyers ne no mo wo krom ha no dia fa ne difficult say on be kire sa sanete say uchi nipa na say Friday ne say court upon wa e ye bench warrant say o ma nipa no ko because court no na be decide say me na me issue bench warrant me the number Mary Mandeno and me money bail on certain conditions and when no mo dey ko no where me no ka say CCI former charges ni honum na former charges na e wo hodada no they are trying to link them we almost take one statement. Until you go so I take one statement in order not to abuse the constitutional requirement. You know, you don't say they have been linked to this particular case. But say any investigation, say na do. You free say court no remand or more for further investigation. Why? And no fana
victimization be him, which be him.
Oh, baabi ansem no ekona initially said amanfo bi pese wo moma ye bilifu say eku bia ansem nim eni sese nipa nsia na yatwe wo mo na omo akora na afiri ase ebobo nkrofo dina oh ye ne we na susu hu ye ne we na ye sei ye ne we na ye sei na e kire say bibi fish bi ye den ewo ma bia na no take time to investigate and when na ye ka no eni kwan say yes say oman no emra na edi ye adwuma so kwatena se ne se obopo say mede ntokwasem bebo oman num meye niema emfa asundwe ma Article 3 ne ka ho asem treason Article 19 no e ka ho so near bia na ne ye is in line with the 1992 constitution
but amanfo so aka say over the years ku a esi o man Ghana no ye hu police for modern mo say mo support kra ya na ye soldiers nti police ni de
it doesn't matter eno na security for ne ka say osahene boachi jan no nyina be ka say obi obeka say ye mfase kan enye ku bia no mo mentie nipa na sem Captain Krabi Fadate senior military officer ni tuo ekita na odekọ adwuma a obi anim se uduru sa captain a wokọ a wodi tuo kọ no omo se o ma be yi tuo afiri ne drawer mu na sa tuo no Fadate de yeku eno ntira ne president no enye ye ze odi twa nwom no obi oye waduru captain ni ama tuo te se senior police officers no
Eric manemone pona
what you say uduru sa ayina put a level na ukwa wutuo ACP ni wana lieutenant ni ayin wo mo ankasa ma otuo the very tuo na yede ma captain o de kwa aduma no sa tuo no enam so mpasa omo de omo kan nti omo kwa ya na omo so obi kwa ka so captain tuo no wa hyehyɛ abeba kama na o se tena no po beyeku omo kwa ne drawer mu so na tuo ni hyem ena omo je ne bag hwi ni mo tuo na yese ye de ma wo na wo de hyɛ odro aboba ne bia ba be ka ho nti aboba ne bia be ka ho na asɛm na yete ye nokore ene captain wie president asen se no oda no nya ne nsa president ose da bia se menka ho bi
me da se
enti no sa send dem menya ka bia sida
Eric ebe densi ebe ma bia na ayo madwuma sense ebe ka se ye we chance ne victimization na
ya me da se say me chia UTV ahefo nyina na menchia Reverend Father George Kumi Mensa Kwasibu Krum Parish St Peter and Paul Parish o say hono
SS Peter and Paul
nti wo ka sumane je o say him asem no so test me say o Kwasibu Krum
o say aka chen say ya onu gunasua na onko hwehwe me ka ma me won
ya gunasua nyina wonim ho
me krom ne gunasua o
aho na free
aho na me free me ma me wo ye friend no Auntie Mary.
Me champion ho.
And I'm papa so a friend no AK Brobe. We boy we wonye papa.
You
gonna do them me champion.
Me kro mu pen run about so but it's your master run about.
Na ye tie dem.
Aye. Debi na nye tie na ye cement one. Hey. Me kro mu run about papa.
Me say car cover.
Na ye papa ye ko.
Me chiao.
Omo kan banku bi okwana no wura ma eguso. Gunasua kuru na kama pa
mi de mi hu but o mo ya ne kama ka o na say mi kwa yi kwa o
208 ho ye wura kuru na no ama me international
mi dabe na bracelet papa yi no kra na ye dabe na September so August mi kwa yi what
September 2017
nanu ya ale mu fu se mi kofi o menye sister shamu wate yanko
o bi dia de na hu abusuan o mo
yanko
asem we no me already my bet on our platform so the first day I buy me say me nya expecting security
yeah.
So I was very circumspect me debate and am here na per the intel national security ni BNI for near your model conducted or thorough investigations no as at now some of us near very much preview to they could tell more.
Okay.
The yatin say or one
year. Privy to the Nanya no Dr. Macpamudi ya 4 guests.
No documents. Intimeno me kasa. Minti kasa to say the mohu de amanfo hunu bi.
Okay.
Me kai say asem na buy no. Some of the journalists in the country. Yeah, say omanya akwanya ahu bi no. oko mo platform so ade omo kan say pay de omo de omo hu de they think say states no evidence against those persona now more into that case no.
Okay.
And for now you be urge state agencies and say omo conduct or monitoring investigations into the matter.
Okay.
With matters of coup me e bin si mani mu da na me hu bi da.
On can be so.
And the abakosem dey see esu. But I dey say experience is the best teacher.
Okay.
Eba ne say BSc me hu say dey tia da bi. Na ya me so say emra ne sa. But the best reba mbofo no. Kwan ya omo be fa so a conduct your investigation so no. E hu hia pa. You see all those security couples na omo ka so omo ye involved no. One say both police, military, and other security agencies. No? So, be rise there could do rank bia. It is a politicians. Obi konenim could do level, you know. Ya now kaba and woho.
Okay.
Oh, a boy, simi. We mo godfather ni as an American what myself. Until you call police administration, you won't call phobia or loyalists of Kofi Boachi.
Okay.
You won't call phobia or loyalists of ACP Agozo or Agozo. And this asem no ba say ya kwan ya omo be fa so aka no etimi e ma ne ye bibia wo etimi de mesre ne se Kofi Boachi obi a Ghana o ka Ghana police service a o yi ni din free mu enye yi ana meboa obi ani madwuma wa ye de asom like na no ada kro mo kan IGP sense nipa bebre no mo suggest ni bi of which me ametie say ye de man anka me support no 100% me nim se kwa me so be support no and this asem bia basa how on be handle matter no you should be very very careful
e betun abase ebi mu so ana eje omo a oni omo pray the brain so pese
good when we say
omo eye we yi ana
that security agency no politics here ye bi wo ho ana oni
oh politics is everywhere I sorry dem kra ho
omo ye politician che say ye dem ye so aye ne nam kwan so
nti mu ne ete mo nka
good na wo de say o free I don't know, sir.
Bra kwam.
Ofi kuma say ba.
Say your quality details na ya all quality.
Na say me ko. Nka sankare ba ya na me kan. Ya oni ma sankare.
Hope no kan se bindira. Me se no
ma mo nye bonus skills biare ke kasa na tie fo be tie o.
Ayi.
Anti kasa kwa me interject no.
Say oni mbere ya.
Me sere.
Asankare ba ya. I'm with time original you for organizers. It's the American say, media, your best. Your mom running your juma. Said they're not quite American. We all believe in fair trial.
Okay.
And my intiate will be found with you so.
Okay.
Baby, I dem ran it to assume you beban, young fanto. For now, investigations no more. And run and century meeting come. Also, ono nani bo evidence na state ne di kuti ankofo no ati sei ya I say ena mbusa ne say napo syllabus ni bia na say my crystal
napo ni syllabus
say what sesan curriculum
napo uni syllabus
curriculum na me say bia enti
according to them
they have enough information enti ye de ebesre state no de omo ye ebebo man ni hia but don baby kakra ya na me wo problem ni say ya be kai asem no ba ye no earlier me nua pani kwajo upon kroma o issue in the first statement me kai say that day me call Asempa FM
okay
na na a discussion omo granting the interview no also nowhere in his statement no ka asem kofo ne be yeku
oh sir
oh yes he said it na me to studio and that day Pius Enam Hajide deputy information minister on also ba studio na me ne tio Pius nso wie ya osiku na nkofo ne be so na say message na e ba abonten na yente ase yi e na so okofa the same statement upon kroma de ba abonten point number 6 opa na check na kan o say nkofo no or activities in actually say they want to take over the reins of government what I say so per simple interpretation no o ka say obi take reins over the government na automatically no ya say you anameboa but yes na minister can but for
automatically now when this automatic in be sure
oh yeah na obi take over abi ayen to aba ma enye ko
una wa interpret no say no yes at obi am say
to aba ma emfa mra kwan so o could take over semra na utu agu
we dey go higher
that is it so what I'm saying is yem pesa bi sesi
okay
anti security agencies no dey me hono ya na o kan wa say dey no
yeah
omunye omadwuma but omoma fair trial na nye dwuma
okay
mate say your parliamentary candidate for WA. They were born in Dino. Peter
Tobu, yes.
Metis Ghana boy.
When you are a parliamentary candidate, you know, or primary to be wearing.
Yeah. On the honorable lecture.
Okay. I only cream lecture here, Hono.
Okay.
So cream if you also a mechanic, so my company.
Men can it. Cream
now you lecture no nipa or shower parliament on no beer to me a cream now.
Now what can say? My mentor. Mantis say yes or no, so or more friend.
Or my friend on Casa
Ghana web.
Yeah, graphic
earlier no. You might be finding out. The original communication director Prosper, me cry my friend, no so on Nakasa. Also by that time they're not being a form friends any other. But per the you graphic ne Ghana web no. HS or non so my friend. I think so non so quite do you know or non so beka.
Okay.
Oh, mommy and so prejudicial in this very matter.
Okay.
Because a security agency as 7 years.
Or shall be a prejudicial?
Oh no, one was me who evidence in it.
And the lawyer, we in the case of ACP Agozo, and an lawyer fees, on my two says, yeah, ACP Agozo, on the minim, on only lawyer, Martin Pebo, and Momo, the executive secretary. Or Phil say, the clients, and I said the police for, sorry. Be an phone and a quanswa. I say, Omuti and found you so quiet, a branopa, and a pabin until our mufiwa, Nafibe no means. Who so I see a china court, so cry a corner, baby or more cautious, and your baby. Court no option say, obey ways a mima be an army mount bill, but I know, and one option just. Yemfanu kotumbi.
Roman I thought that yeah no creka ho aye dia man.
We dey when dey mo ayenka no oman mu ha.
Oman mu ha.
Yes.
Police for na.
O say.
Police for na being na for afre omo a. Omo twa judge say they are not treating them in a fairly manner. Meboa.
I think so. Security need security.
Make I checha ma ofusu ampofo. Jamana na ye she police headquarters. Papa it now 4 good hours. Na see I didn't pay attention to him. Koko ido near your press conference or press center and on be far no. Ono so ye kwatena almost 5 hours. Eti da bia meka police ni bia na menene work class. Na no na meka o hwe me anopa ya otie. Ina ye ka be hu asem. E no no o ye na bati se na me say emra no eni wo ho. Ana mewa. O police ni dia o de ni say wa professor o charge say tie nipa na o de ne court. Court to say grant ni bail. And what's a way chinchine can say, yeah, or your threat to one, or crown number or your threat. And today, my person, Machine say, Emrano sent to what did you be a young strong? And then, but only say, I goes on a lawyer, no, by Martin Pebu say, Papa no, name some more can to say, I beg for. Program national ne kasano na political interference or police service ni mu mo munya kwanyo mo adwuma ene so mo ya under resource Germany nyina kra ka ho sir he suspected that yesterday say Germany nyina ka ho tin ye ha no possible obeka ya Kofi Boache e ma lecture bi o kan university
okay
after Agbozo de no Kofi Boache kan sem bi o mpa o de kope na hwe o say after say we man lecture no wie no he is not comfortable in the service. Na kusami mayo. Yes, my video no. Oko YouTube obesi enya hwe.
Okay.
So clearly no, the police administration no, there's purely partisan politics. Because anything na me can earlier say what touch you be. Na wan hwe ye no so na kaba so sorry say ye for me another team with the same police. Yeah. Baby. Enti yenye very careful. Anything na da bia no. Kwanya ye fast recruit ye security no. Yeah, politicians na say my fire home for a mupi. Okay, just last week minority in parliament central for share say police for immigration and one ya form no. Omo fa dodo na okukuo.
Yeah.
Eno de ba ku bia de bia mekai. Okọ wenchi a. Youth organizer na ho samre no. Na no ada bien na for ya form. Oka hu bi.
Asem so mo fa bi sa.
Ye wi ne de ne koto Ahmed Ibrahim constituency banda. Bien na boss. Former youth organizer MPP wenchi constituency. Kaneno na wenchi ne time ne banda nyina bom.
Yeah.
And to such BNI officer. Ya o ye politically motivated when he be bia ho no. Oji this obetimi report accurate information. I came to this very studio.
Said the instructor, you know, son, we are because I am also more big gumwa, Mokoya, buying crab, Shasiano, I know more training school now, won't say, oh, see, I am man of a ball. The entire Ghana forces are buying, say, if you're betting Kunyaso. And ye may be I now, you know, then so Ghana for any. Until they are to about you. But I say, Weber, not if more or less divide, who ye be, Miss me, ye be there. Then we will never make any progress. Until the person and say, ye must sanity prevail with a security sector. Madam, I know see from no. Okay, time I tackle them Kalana Yano. Yeah, yeah, mammy, ya two ado. Babontain. Ebe ye, ne press conference. Okoka say we know where they are. We are not in Tanzania in Abo Mamino. But we Kasana Mamini Kaina, na collaboration. No. Or say we know where they are. Into our
security intelligence, no, and the intel na buy. And the person mature says, a man more of partisan. Obi himself or a security couple, by the party in a wabemo. Information be quite bontinary accurate. A beguma anymore. So I have to soften my stand. In a way. The was what the ban be make issue no more relevant. On farmer yenya.
Thank you.
Omun treating is they are not politicians. Said the year cano. Now, sir, I was dinner the year. I no cry say yes, a human rights lecture. Oh, Winneba. Is that political science, a social science department? Just a part-time lecturer.
Oh, I see.
No, the man is or a brainy. The way he spoke, ya cannot cry. Papa you can
Eric Medawase
you know edi home for
Medawase yeah make you progress na yeah can police force media me kan honorable Kennedy kan come share so ye ni na ni di dwuma se kafra na no de won wani so asem kose pa kose nyame a wa ma wan film no obema wa hoden bi nti don't be too traumatized. It is well. Ye be hwe na actually ye busa se e dey opportunity na ye no wadi nkomonti oni wabusu nyina monkose wa hunhuna na se akromfo emfo se contract killers you wo mo be ye mo na no and thanks kwasi adana na jo
ni fi
won so wonte ya na ane kwasi adana na jo over 2 hours na omudi 2 sini so wo kumase nti police for no so a enra mutumi identify car no a mukohu wo a Greek dwinase wo baby no kwada so dwinase wo no moni adwuma monto aso na mama asempamra
2 weeks na menene na wo of Adaka show no so
okay yeah yes and I'm in Kancha MacBook collection and I'm loving my feet me na say I fe they say no latest abeni nti ko MacBook collection na kwaje the all colors e china kra me giga me shine red nso aba MacBook na di aba latest wo no efe pa block nso ntu gina ma cream gina mu come out me na ntimo a interesting bia Mrs. Tabesi oh sorry I say 9 chin we oh sorry bia mem ko MacBook na kwaje mpaboa na fa your combination will pick farm ultra be the Pele Plaza na kakra bi ko wani mu a unsa benkum so be unse MacBook for ho 0244211491 na said ye be ye na obetumi akasa de unsa church fi se unil sitija eti ayre mo no na ko studio fix obe wax o eyebrow amount obe fix eyelash amount na obe hwe nso se pedicure ni manicure obe ne kama or ye polish papa bi cheche acrylic ni nso di entutu nti ko studio fix wo jolo E Plaza 2 Abronsan na best patient trust room na 0202966553 na womo emwawo. Good morning Mr. Aidan Jacob our best point Mount 7 unim say da wase pa mokasa ya na eba nti ya na mahwe yi ne sa mbeka ase muyi madansi asabre no na menio moma ye nhwe sa akoko di ansa na ya ba be D politics no na Kwame $600 million no mo se mo de ye den what is the difference between purchase and consumption you purchase obviously we consume
was it $600 million in your chocolate so ka say was $5 million
minority no say $500 million per honorable Eric Opoku
$5 million
$5 million
and Masikani is $600 million
$5 million and so penny Joseph Wanyedu say no anyone tini 7
oh sir
he himself said on peace say 7
chocolate
na enya chocolate no more koto now it is for consumption and other things until I am a cannibal because I read those 2 stories. Na Eric Opoku kasa wo Adekye Nsroma Kwame Nkrumah ho and was say for purchase of chocolates. And honorable Boanyedu so kasa okay honorable Ora Boanyedu so kasa wo peace openise fa kan ho and was say oh nim ni Eric di o kan e me mama pa enye for purchase na for consumption of chocolates and cocoa related products. And I'm say yes na chocolates in say you purchase e be consume wara and but so de kan won say anopai say si enua cocoa nua na solely sweet abaso no you be trying for compensation and others, but the purchase and consumption still there inside.
And the
internet the Ghanaian publisher also carrying say $600 million cocoa facility minority questions voice vote. So mo yeah no. And the minority said they be sanke to aba carbon se bebre
it's one of the procedure on the year parliament, the voice vote and then the secret ballot.
When it suits best, they use the voice.
Until standing orders in the count was say sab near mammy no and on the bay dumao mrashe bedum and nin answer allowed because of one I show mumra say druba bia yen use voice and a druba biswa yen secret ballot into no dear ever between on the issue about the $600 million for cocoa no or buy a unim say or my muhano cocoa issues dia eboa edisika bre ye mino no me ye the enim. If you go to Cote d'Ivoire cocoa egusu kitama Cote d'Ivoire economy na ye den atimi agina ye pa because omunya ne more the moment ubenya cocoa no more no eno na disika bre wo economy ne mu no economy ni so eguro no na chese emrante ne maba wa omo pa adwuma ye no esese omonso sanye den kansa adwuma ne ye enkwan ben so ne yebefa ne edikan ye betima guro ye economy ne eyi anase be ma cocoa production aye den akoso ye se cocoa cultivation ema ye di anidi akire ye encourage emabunu na omo ye den wo mo ba no se cocoa cultivation ye do cocoa no ne ayi no do hu hyema ene de kura de ente se tete kwahye de ne bi no abrewa bedini akokora bedi nyina aye den aba 2 to 3 years na free ase ye den eso nti ye invest wo honoma from now to 2027 no ne de ani kire ne ye do cocoa no fofora ebeduru na 1.5 million metric tons na ye hwehwe no ne ye nsa aka e de aboa eno no behia se ye di sika eba bewuram na o mado na ya wo free ase ado cocoa no enye so cocoa no beja no hosa ye de banche be faase ye de body be wuram ye de mfudie dodo na be enu free ase ba na aduane be ba kurom ya kwan so nye enti sai sika we amene o kaze ya wonum be dia dance se ene ye major problem power man Ghana ya kwan ba bia demonstration bia be koso bia na wo Ghana ha no it's about our rules. Enti se ye free ase ye be do cocoa kese dia enuane ne be di kanaba ansana cocoa na ba na ye be de dia ba kuroma temamufu aye den anya bia die emene o kasa so no World Bank ne IMF atu o man Ghana for say ye na economy ne so betima nya ahoɔden agina edise ye de ani kire agric sector no agric sector so ye sa niema na ebetima ba na edi bia kwa amano no ne ya gisika aye den aba enti ya kwan ye beye ye cocoa wuro so akwan no na omo su ni ade se ya kwan ye no ni ya hwe ni ya amomu ye wo cocoa growing areas wo man Ghana has se kura ya chichem no omo keka kokoro so 8 regions omo so na omo complain akwan ye ba hwe ni ya ye den ya ye no owia wunwie cocoa pollinators cocoa na ba no ese sa hwe na ye den usiesie me no kase current na aban na fa 9,000 cocoa pollinators nationwide. Cocoa akuyafo a omo heye no ene be dia dance. And this is a case here Cocoa Farmers Association for testify say under the leadership of Joseph Boaheno cocoa pollinators no wo mafuom eba be ye cocoa no siesie momo. Government of Ghana so the long term project be the si wanima enkrofo na wo be recruit wo mo you have to hear them you have to pay them. So 29,000 na ya for omo no ye no omo be aban esesa aban ye den etu omo ka wo wi a wonye denwie government edisika beto fertilizer ne yedi aye fertilizer ne yi
okay
eno anchi ne so no cocoa dada na abomrewa na ye pese ye clear free honom no esese kuani no se cocoa no wo hodada o papa ya obenya bag ba ko bi dia ye den edi abadwam ye kwa akotwa agu ne ya hye ne nkran se papa kuani ye twa agu ne ya ye foforo ama no kopem so obefiri ase se odua na afifiri ni ayekuani ni be da maintain
ya so cocoa ni ye wo akuafo ni nsema wo mo antumi nyesa ne amawe apart from akwan no ye twa agu kuani no ndi onim se wo se me cocoa yi me twa agu ana ne sa ne amanse to cocoa ni ya
asem kasi cocoa kuani na ye bag baako ebia nafuo ni ye 10 acres e be 45 years ago nti bi kura wayi nani ayeden agu ho aban sei afuo na eda ho no nem no kase cocoa farms ne dodo na se wonam techiman kura ekwa obohun se cocoa farms ne dodo na ye kwaye eda ho kwani na yi nani afiri so badaban ne pe kwanfoforo so se me de build economy no nti wo eye wo de na me pe kwanfoforo na me de build economy se me approach you so ya ye mramu ewom sa ban pese o akwai bibi no ye no ne timamufo a esese compensation kakra ebam se de article 20 ne ye de ka ho anse na de manipa no etafre we ne ye in the form of compensation ye de ma se fast start wafuo na ye twa aguo no na kopim se we na ye dua no ebe den ebenyini eno nso ehyema ye de hye akuafo no eno bema akuafo na nyagidie se enemafo ya menya hwe kura menya gidie na me na aban ne nko brenkro ne emfiri ase se ye twa agu ne ye foforo me na the end of the day me na me den me benefit
yeah there 5 million is 7 million the breakdown
of the amount that be me can say 100 million in Jena fe na me ba package ba ko no
time
menya akwanya ene honorable Joseph Boahinsiai somewhere I think March this year.
Okay.
Ntina sika no ho asem nyina enya mai.
Okay.
But the executive board of Cocoa Board etnaze say Oman Ghana yenye cocoa na ewo kurom hanom no. Ne tono ni ade no bia na enhyeda moaye sa. Ntina Cote d'Ivoire ne Oman Ghana ye be ko benkurom se de obisa me question say ye to cocoa no ya. Na wo question ni hia me no ye to no ye akuafo no ntimi yes I agree with you but kwan ben so na government of Ghana be fa so aye den atokoko no yi me no mienu gitum se de ko amansan dwa so amboa amansan dwa no se ya ye nso de na ye den as and for that matter no and say ye produce koko no ne kese no a wiase nyina oman mienu pe na amanonefo gitum se ha na omunya koko firi eye Ghana ne Cote d'Ivoire. And Ghana ni Cote d'Ivoire so amena o kase sisi uko Angola ye do cocoa uko Brazil ye do cocoa uko Nigeria ye do cocoa
no nya problem but yan de no na ye quality wash a afa ni demand so kra wash
ne bo no so sa man we nyina amabobo mu do cocoa no me catch you say sisi a wo check wo internet so a o man Ghana na ye o man a wo convert o mu sika ni nyina de ba Ghana na ye o man a ye to cocoa yie e chen aman ni nyina aye den aka no
I see
and sa cocoa na ye de ma no ko hono ma abodiam nhwehwemu ahun se cocoa product na nkasa no wudi a ema wadwene mu ye den edo yie en wa brofo na ombefa firi ha ko no omo mfa nko kekese cocoa ye pay na mom omo di cocoa product na ye wa ha ye mfa ma ye ma no wo mo ne fa eko invest e de mo ma consume e mo ma na adwemu ye den edo we scientific research amanfo aye say da bia ede bia no akora edi free afe baako ekosi nimfie du na ede bia nya akora na se otimi nya cocoa product bi man ye den etafre se be ye na dwundo and that report from na Ghana Cocoa Board etna se ne ye be ye ne se Oman Ghana ha from kg ekokosi class 6 no ya je atwe ho so se anopa bia no ye be ma a school for aye man ya dehye no ye be ma omu cocoa product ebi adi wo school Ghana Cocoa Board adi ato ye ho so se ebinum ye benefit Cote d'Ivoire omo ye enkura no ko school anopa they serve them ebia Milo ne ya serve nkura no e wo ho omo ye ukọ Brazil ye the cocoa product anopa and a servo school for no and a Ghana cocoa board that trans say e ho behia say enso ye ma no ye o krom bebre wo ho a ebi kura mu say the cocoa product ne say ye den esiti obi papa do cocoa
na no gi say ye koje bosia ne de abeto ama ye ma na di
menia enye me no ka say everything as on mine no so why invest o invest ya e na onya so mfaso na ade atua bosia
me da say ye na Eric
so consumption na ye ka ho asem no check kg ekosi the number of public schools where ye wo e wo man Ghana na esi e day bia no ye be serve 1 cup of Milo ama ye ma ato aso sa a long term project ya yeah me who anything wrong about it
Eric when you break down no minority stance in say
me na ba cocoa asem de e ba em say any parent san yete here de penifo say ni bo a ekotrim go hwe baby a yina yetena ya ye de abedru samre ya ene cocoa akuafo na nete ye mu bi mu nso de akra de ye wo ye baby a ye cocoa adwuma ya wonim say baby e fro asempa na
da bi
okobonsu
kwanta na minimo
asempa na yakobonsu kwanta ya
okay
ekura kitu bi hye baby e fro breakroom wona ye wo me wa hu breakroom na obekọ no na okomi area German North ope community ana ewo ho na enye ni paketwa ni nyina ye kope bibia bidi now with the issue of $600 million yeah cocoa board ko secure dia be hye cocoa adwuma no yeah on my side nke bad
okay
but now we busa legitimate questions say cocoa akuafo no ya na omo asetena mu mpuntu na tisen that is key because cocoa akuani na asetena mu di ya I don't think say be take a buying crab pose ye na ebekọ akokase ye betwa cocoa agu atua oka my men started maybe premises no one say ya papa kofo betena akonwa so no na cocoa bag we 200,000 Rollins pencil can once in the old Ghana cedis anti
in Canada 20
cedis samre no na okọ akwama wosehwe na wo ba na e ma cocoa bag ba kusika na enye sika ketwa na emu edu pa good na ye papa kofo nso betena akonwa so emfie enwotwe ono nso betena so mfie enwotwe a okọ na ye to cocoa bag ba 102 Ghana cedis meaning say an increment of 80 Ghana cedis within 8 years no and I have a Mills and so by Mills were trying 4 years in envy on also the increment of 110 Ghana cedis and a bar within a period of time. Until now the back can papa 402 no. So what did they make on us?
Okay.
And President Mahama so by 4 years no. Or the 263 Ghana cedis and a toe bag biaso. Until if you could so near to cocoa bag back 475 Ghana. Now Obekaya in 2016 15 ye papa ya wo ye a Greek minister akoto afriye omoko sa hwiye oso na omoko ye press conference say koku obo na ye de ma akuafo no em say ye sisifo na samre no na dollar no oko FOB price for cocoa na it was around $2,950 nti omo no ye omo calculation na e was ye to bag bia no 700 Ghana cedis ye de ma cocoa akuafo no enti ya ntimi anya ne sa na yenim so omo de ba ban mu a sa na e ma ne bi o mbetimi aye and ya don't forget uru mama te akonwa so no e ba no cocoa sector na baby etimi shoot price ne de kodu ye no ye de another policies e be kan ho ma kuaye adwuma ne ye more attractive ye ba as 2008 2009 na okọ baby a ye nurse cocoa edima akuafo no kodua se bia cocoa scientific kodua near Marco 38 centers across the country. And this year, so in 2016, near areas more than 300 areas are Yenesi Kuku, Edima Kuku, Fokudia. Some Recronano, Ramama Magana 40 as Kuku for no money upon see a chibabia. And this all besha. Mresu say, Ye Baba to Kuku. Na say a drama so born costra, a tiba forma. Na Becca Kuku, Nina. Or ye more quiet mono. Until in 2014, any critical cocoa stabilization fund. Now the essence of that fund and say ye bought for twatu afibia swan syndicated loan na ye kwaje de bano. Ne at the end of the day premium na ye free cocoa nem faso muno. Near the biatum said the be ya miracle anymore e bia FOB price na be drop no enko affected the farmer na ono no what from because we are the managers of the fund for the farmers nti ye create and ye signed another policy ba say cocoa kwani no oto no cocoa no 475 Ghana mana what am na wi no eno sa afin so ne so onkoto fertilizer am famegu ni cocoa no so no ya na sika na sa because cocoa sika na edokoto odoto na udi won say that no nti ye honya fu na onuru ha unya ni e na aban ne ye ne se sade a ye kwaji sika bia na ye de emu bi beto fertilizer ne ye de ama cocoa akuafo na ye den agu omafu so nti ubeka ya that fertilization na yi na ne ye no
na bi yira
and there no crap planting for food and job so be right me documents crowd ha nti no policy and all the beba unya policy challenges but whereby it is leading to policy calamities no everyone will talk
calamity ben
and yeah na ye musu crowd dey be ko to
kuma see calamity ben na ba
oh say oh mama oh me kana oh mama you nam say lead to policy calamity and ye worse but ye nuru ho enti dey me ne wo kan no ye sign create another fund say ye kwaji syndicated loan bia ba ye the $150 million e betum na eno ne botai ne say ye de bi be ye koko akwan koko rules because officer hwi isem eko de bi so na ohun kwan da hokọ na nsuo to na block ka anko ka ma officer hwi de bi so eko aju free na ohun omo kwan a clearly no you have to do something to build their confidence in farming so ni yes an e ma nyina na aban ne sesai na aban ne sesai omo baaye no na omo ka kire Ghana for say fertilizer na na e chema akuafo no e bi yira nti omo ntimi nchema akuafo no bi nti e beton na me de ye me ya infri me mu besi ndani say syndicated loan na ye koje ne 1.3 billion by then no utie me omo sika ne bi na ye de koto fertilizer ne begu ho etika wompo ba ya wo say on continue distribution of fertilizer ne free of charge no de ye de omo sika na koto begu no fa che omo nti wo next budget a wo koje loan de aba no eno no wa cancel policy na me boa ya fertilizer ye de obi sika koto akrachefo aban ya twere ho not for sale na nkofo edi omo nsa kata not no so na sale ni ye adwuma enti se obeka ya da year koku akuafo na ntimi anto fertilizer to the extent say ewie na fertilizer ni na Ivory Coast ne Cameroon almost smuggle ni nyina because they can't patronize it and what I'm telling you ni say koku akuani na no nim say afishia aban ne be man fertilizer na aban ni twem one day na me wo asempa honorable free Dr. Ayiwa free on the MP was a also.
Okay.
On one fair confirm say ye tie konwa so no to care e de kolodu ne fertilizers. Enti koko kwani a na ono no ne fertilizers ye man $100 ansa so na fu. And now say $100 na ye de man no ye turn the man bag bia 80 Ghana. Aban no ba tina konwa so e kwa 3 years. Or the 40 Ghana cedis e na to koko akuafo sikam. Ye kan o international price na swati. Na onim say do musika create koko akuafo sika no. Over the FOB price, current 1 year or more, it was $2,300, right? The FOB price or more day. Over $2,300 now what be fire current exchange rate? And to fire exchange rate and the omode kwaji almost indicated loan, it was around 5.4. And this all the be multiply tonnage in cocoa. You can't tonnage now 1 ton beyond $16. What am I say? Okay. And here you take on so na dollar another $2,950 no. Now your exchange rate is at 3.6. And then because of your incompetence, untimi manage CD no. Your exchange rate near 5.4. So 5.4 multiplied by $2,300. It's around 12,000 something, which is the tonnage. And here you take on so near $2,950 no. Because of the exchange rate now near 3.6 no. Now your number 11,000 something per tonnage. Now, mommy emphasis can come koko akuafo ni nia. Yes, the world market price are dropping. Into the kwenye ye.
Yes, say na drop ya.
I drop it good. Now many work say aban we better na kunyas almost 3 years no. Once the cocoa ye Friday be premium. Oton cocoa ni otiwia. Once the cocoa na answer na yentene ya na edikin aton credit awie. Because ye kwaji syndicated loan na edi akusi awowa. Say ya ji usika sei. Into ye di cocoa baba be den abetika. Now the cocoa no ko ne quality no so no e wa another sika eden e de ba e no e friend premium into the subsequent year no so be calculate prices how the better farmers ni cocoa na o ade because e akuafo ni cocoa into the FOB price and the premium is key when pricing the product for the farmers aban we ba betina konwa so almost 3 years premium they've gotten over $570 million not 1 Ghana cedi and they are to cocoa akuafo sika so na no ada yesi ya to koko mu 40 Ghana cedis ye yete akonwa so no samre no na koko kuani no yeto ne koko bag no 475 Ghana cedis enti so officer hwada bokrom ekodu me krom suma ahenkura cement bag sa time na yeto ne 29 Ghana cedis ena me ne wo kasa wo ba ya wato mu 40 Ghana no ene cement e wo sampa 39 Ghana cedis enti ye 475 na kuani no wotimi di to cement be 18-19 bags no wo betina konwa so se ne makoyi e wo kuani na setenem no instead of ne cement 19 bags no betimi di ato no ene or the 12 bags
enti kuani no nim saade we nyina efi se akuafo no so ti omo ai se ne kura no wo mo ani gimo omo se ya insurance ama omo ene bona ye tono no ene ade enti they sound like nana say a president call western region western north
mampeni ko bebia there's no way party leadership will sit say mampeni nya nipa maninchi ene up oko voter region na
not just cheering no but man for no mukasa
oko voter region nya na yasesa P2 for ni P3 for gina kwan say we thank you for the training college allowance nkwada so P3 ni P5 that is it eti dia me person me catch on say governance and hailing the president na ye norm e wo ho eno na wan hwe ya ne watwa wrong so me catch on say koko piani na wo hwe me anopa efi say hwidwabo so ne bonyo so in the said agreement omakokwa afa ba say ye di bi beto chocolate ni ade ade me wo portion of document ni bi wa na oba me di ma no obesi form no oba in the said document paragraph 3.17 or say promotion of domestic consumption or say Ghana's per capita consumption is estimated to 0.055 kg while the average in Europe is 6.120 kg. Cocoa Board intend to step out to the local consumption of cocoa and promotion of domestic consumption. Now, in 2019-2020, you see the over $2 million, close to $2 million, and the better chocolate among Kwadedi. Over 2020 to 2021, close to $2 million. And to Kekani in Aboma, total na papa na kayan. One says,
$7,560,000.
About $7 million. And Yebusa say, Mampenish Shebo in 2016 no. Go to CTFM online in 2016 was say one student one chocolate. So okay pa. Enti say wa Shebo ne also be ma chocolate. Yaje bosia so eto aduane di no we all the din tuaka.
Na nka o Shebo.
The problem is say you told Ghanaians
na omfanye. Ade mampeni no ka say odi bottom scan be.
Nye mampeni na ma yete asese yete sika so come there. Sika na na yete so Dr. Bawumia say oye ejuma wo Bank of Ghana. And that's the past records no. Ya scrap ya na. The money is still sitting here. So what we are telling them is we don't borrow to chop. And you mama, what the $7 million. Almost the prisoners in Akahu. See a better prisoners in a chocolate. Almost so on person. Yeah, and the majority for us who here chocolate. Say indeed, ye kobobosia a be pure $7 million. And the amount kwada chocolate did not want to be more beer. And the majority did chocolate and yaba. They should also give them some. Because you told Ghanaians say one district no and Kasakwa good. Yes say one district yes say one district. Yes say one district one factory. Ukojina cocoa growing area then you tell them I'll give you cocoa factory. And the other na build the factory no. Na yem fam produce chocolate man kwada ni na okwaje bosia abeto chocolate
na the chocolate no so obeto no so oto afri Belgium no de aba CPC ni
w o be o aya asembe na obisa no
CPC
o kwaje bosia wo Ghana for din mu abeto chocolate man kwada di $7 million within 5 years period. What is wrong?
Yo, me da wase. One wasi, ohene one wasi me da wase because I was say na sorry so they say anu dey and say meche 5 minutes na ma fa 1 minute because 9:49 time na me toy na so na afi ye ba mo pure politics ne so and the Daily Post say NDC strips Akufo-Addo's family and friends government describes it as the most nepotistic in the world, calls for passage of anti-nepotism law and chronicle and so say God will not be wicked to bring back NDC. Nana tells the people and chiefs of Aplao and Mantemo Aprobono the president Diatuja Ewo Eric Masem we say na man for we no mati abre
okay I will use
mon kan for wash at him penalty ma Eric Emra meeting room.
Almost a month was it?
Almost say family and friends and your ma come or my bre because so obi wa ben ma ntima ma ni nua anya adwuma na I know because I am to be Owura Ibrahim Mahama and he said so to yes na wi abebo but a man for say mon can be before that's a position. What do you have to say? Any president there will chronicle?
Yeah, me that's it. I was say akama mu yebu baby say aboa ne tu nua ne so a e ka say sorry yeso and ka say sorry ne so
okay
because e ka say sorry ne so e bia no free no so ano ye den no bounce and asem wa ye kenye si akambre amanyo sem ne ye and ade bia no brofo ka sem ye free brofo president say wo twa sabia to ho ya eno de weda say yes papa na yes abone wo twa to ho a wo de ato ho yes anete I have a document with me here from Ghana Web. That was 17th January 2016. Nana Danko Akufo-Addo in Ashanti region. Na MPP fundraising. Na mamen kana no asem kakranche. Or say the flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party, Nana Danko Akufo-Addo said on Saturday that he would not run like he would run a transparent and accountable government if elected into office in the impending elections. Addressing the party supporters at a party fundraising event organized by MPP in Kumasi, Nana Addo said his wife, Rebecca, will not be in charge of distribution of contracts in his administration. My wife will not be in charge of distribution of contracts in this country. She will never distribute contracts in this country. And I'll re-emphasize, yeah, this is the equity. Now in the American. Yeah, tia konya so na man pani oye adwuma o PPA Jamahama yire. Mo ba yi PPA boss kura corruption ya che na ka ho. Ene ye ka se asem na wo ka ye no. Ene e hunting ne. I have another document we dey enche you. 11th January 2018 yae. Unim yae nua Collins Osu amankwa. We o kan wo Mention of o kan wo UTV nti na me de copy kura ba. O say Mahama tops family and friends government appointees. Or say, Member of Parliament for Mention of constituency in Ashanti region, Collins Owusu-Amankwa has described ex-President John Dramani Mahama as a leader of appointment of family and friends in government. According to him, he won't hesitate, counting not less than 100 members of ex-President Mahama family members and appointees. That is Mrashi Bidjani, 2018. Just say, your opposition, Numpono. Still, almost your family and friends. And the actual Ghana for say, Kwame Netiama to challenge a man. Uria President Mahama, Nebusian 4, Utimima Nipa 5, Nebusian 4 direct. Your press conference, UTV a question of me. Or the mamia. And you see, Mobetina Kunyasono, Ayakaba, we know. And I'm right here, be me, I'm in person 5 minutes. My mom say, President Dena Mokano, or no, Niniamo 5 and an Abusian 4 direct 5. Abusian, President Mama Abusian, and yes, we bow a mutari free. Fabia can kick away. And you are more less than 10. And to Mumulisi, when we know you're president of family and friends. What you say, Pa? O challenging into the man about and Tinobe Kaya, Professor Day. Tama no working panel, or no so Kasapa, or some Mahama family and friends no running then do Kasaya. I buy ya didn't call NDPC board chairman, or Guy Kasa. Now no other ye air condition mine, so Uncle GRE, Kufinti, there be on their friends and Kwame Usu. Yeah, yes, CNTS almost Sunday Professor Adekye Nsroma into family and friends, no, where Jaka. But what we are telling them today is a Oko Mampeni Atanaya. Eya busuan chemfa kokofu bobo unu animu ayem paso na onim de niema ededa na protested government na kwose oman de edi kan pa ye keta asehye ne proye because wa ban mu no unu anu atwa ho ahia obi aka wa asem ana obi ye bone a untumi nka te se na no da auditor general report hwe report e ba se Crew and Associate omo anye dwuma bia through the finance ministry yetinye tua $1 million e de am omo kwa then at the end of the day finance minister Babontia oni senior minister Ebe catch say auditor general na anye na djuma yi one train for document there was audience or publishing a report because of family and friends they can't talk about it and now me no work say na santi be there too man penny church for penny ofirifie wo ne cousin okwa gampa board na santi be there too na ne papa your friend Mr. Kofi da ko asante gampa board council chairman Mr.
Adesanya ye fa papa no ye catch and say papa
fa wo mo best na konwa so na mo kana na mo provide evidence and questions we na was mo busa mo
and thank you
na Asante bedi atu na ye kana asem ne maame Vida Asante and ono so head of president household ono minim so na gba akonhoma wo presidency o say no ye den yu wahu o hwehwe mu ani nuanom ko ani panu ene wom Kendoforiata eye mampani wo fa se
ni nuamo
Oni ni maame ni nua nya nipa nu maame mo boni nyina nkyere
aha nana no de na wo chemical
executive secretary branches nkwa na meka no uwia na waba utie waba Kendoforiata mampani wo fa se no ono so na waba atachia mampani wo fa se na waba okwa GMPC a gadi yiro da enti anya wanwa se
kwabran twi bebusa mo ye sale
enti anya wanwa se enda me no te hei enkwada suku dan abubu ba GMPC timi fa to no ho se amanfo ye celebration obi di na fasha yetimi di 15 billion old Ghana cedis e man say won fani because check I have copy of me say me wo piak report me the copy by ko fire de na ko fa 2018 no mo de no me di ni na bi by
so we are telling you say good ama wa can say they have been doing it they should stop it
check the current one no master they are causing mess in the country.
Thank you. Yes, Kwame.
Obanza na meba na correct some distortions be wo.
Within that 7
within me time na.
Yep.
Don't worry. Nedi kan.
O ma me say.
Oko Ghana cocoa board.
One
records. Ghana cocoa board records available.
Okay.
The Cocoa Stabilization Fund was established in the 2003-2004 cocoa season. The records are there. And even 2011 ebra cocoa price buy no Dr. Kwabena Dufour Kasano or making reference to the Cocoa Stabilization Fund that was established in the 2003 and to Metran Kasa former President John Dramani Mahama and established a Cocoa Stabilization Fund.
Okay.
The record $2 and this wa buy more move buy more. The dollar was not 3.9 a year said Osikano. Uko December.
Yes, I am a kind.
Oh, some wa ban but 3.6.
Remember name Miss Patrick. The seconds. The American and say time why you kwaji your last syndicated loan. Yeah, you better cocoa no. Exchange rate I the kwaji bosiano na 3.6.
Obaya.
Na mo so mo de na Bank of Ghana.
Let me move on.
5.80.
Mo buy clarification what in
Mama
Mo buy no na Bank of Ghana exchange rate na 5.80. About loan, more than 5.4 and a quarter. That is it.
Let me proceed. On the issue about dollar. 31st December 2016. Not dollar. $1. 4.2. The records are there. And two betranka said dollar no more managing year. More be fa free him and a more corner 4.2.
Kwame say no na in contest say no what you are looking for say Eric thanks Eric thanks time na mo koji salo rate be na mo de
the issue about dollar na the omo na yade na me set record straight e de man say 31st December no na dollar rate na me de man no wo de no to nchen o se koko no na ye amansan dwa no na $2,950 e no kore $2,950 per ton. Yeah, no correct. What's a moment man, your man Tony ye and found Malquiafo. And to move here, you must come people buy every Tony ye. But you're now G $2,950 here. Now, see, ye and to man, you move here, you want about $2,300, like you said now. One is so good. Oh, yeah,
5.4 use it.
What you say? A year that and only the man can want them. And a man can and nobody can dispute it. Say, am I a mebo botcher a warno? I do cocoa. I'm a Brazil, Cote d'Ivoire, Congo, Nigeria, Ninano, Ghana, and the Toko Chom. The records are there. On the issue about free fertilizer. So the more money say Omonsa can. A year that the Cocoa Farmers Association national president in 2015, a castle Omonsa can fertilizer. Now fertilizer, you say, whom you know. Ye ni one ye de ma odie national farmer no me na me kasa ma omo wo mo ande kasa na no cocoa na fertilizer mo de ma free no cocoa metric tons wa na ye to o man ha na e ye da na e ba fam because adem mo se de ma free nche se ka cocoa buo e wo kuroma ye hu se cocoa buo eno an se edun de ba fam and the cocoa farmer no say
first no ye nya tons se hu se na target bi o 1 million
me no ka say
metric tons ye nya sense se ya ye nya
2016 me no ka say the Ghana Cocoa Board Ese ye hwe anum se ebekọ na wie na omanya 1 million metric tons. Wo mo manifesto in 2016 no, wo mo say wo manya 750 metric tons. Wo mo na state here. E ma yete ase. Obaya, me ba on the issue of family and friends.
Yeah.
Family and friends. How mo kan Obaya
3,000 metric tons.
Family and friends. Where you Ghana sika me wa.
Budget no.
Family and friends. Where Ghana sika. Sika we kita mi. Unu abusuafo dodo ewo. Ye wo JB Dankwa. Ye wo Edward Akufo-Addo. Ene ye wo William Oforata. Nti sika we so family and friend. Family and friend na babin kan
wa. Therefore beje. What do you do afato?
Me last.
O last no. Therefore beje.
Family and friend Ghana sika na mo se family and friend nya de papa dia. Munya Ghana sika die. Because Ghana sika no family and friend abusuafo miensa wo so.
Oti omo cheche mu na so. Omo ka se nya de papa ade amomu kan ye ne de they are not expecting you to do so.
When the family and friend issue back Roma nya bamba ben. Or say the family and friends for no masarando mama they are corrupt.
So you capitalize on it. And I'm so dey campaign.
Me ba ho. Omo ye kwa family and friends omo wo Ghana ha. Two categories. Omo ye press conference omo bisa Fosu Ampofo. Fosu Ampofo. Asem o kan ye ni. Or say I am a firm believer in family and friends government of Fosu Ampofo. 23rd of August 2017. Or say speaking on Peace FM Kokroko Breakfast Show, Mr. Fosu Ampofo said he does not see anything wrong with Ibrahim Mahama being given a contract, especially because he's a Ghanaian. If such person are qualified and can do the job, why should that person be an issue? Into a more press conference beside our national chairman. Near the kind, family and friend Obama, Yankasa Nipana before Manisika. So what boss uncle for any answer can offerata and another offers, ya can offerata mammy free. Voter region to Edo and another offers. And Timon Cope, as you bush and crow ye and I'm of Fankamasem. Look on the mammy free water.
No, some can figure all can I know a chim say a be a maternal cousin.
But when is your listen on what this is shame mono, Mahumenoka say. Ufri Eastern region. A region B and NDC for target almost say, or moon here some be more appointment. They talk about National Communication Authority. Listen now more I can't want some National Communication Authority for Madumano. A be free Greater Accra, a be free Central, and NDC for so free South region, your more Dumanye. Family and friend, or buy a tea. Nana Pacho Mamelande. Family and friend issue ni say. O mampanyin na na do busuani bia ni ho a wayi niama free port to Frida. O mampanyin na na do busuani wan na wafa Ghana Japade. Se family and friend exist here. Wo mo ba ya de o ma ya ma Ghana fo ni. One, family and friend fo ya. Ebra obi issue 44 checks. A okra niama free no mo ba yo matima ba be ye. Adi 12 million Ghana series e de ama o man Ghana.
So state institution wo hono wa anya na said ya
because of sending ya president o de no to o ba ya
an agreement a ekoso
family and friend
transaction agreement that
we issue check and you do kan yancho o de no to o ba ya mpacho me ba me o de no to ananado family and friend wo mo fa box side in chair e no na ba be ka se kro no ekoso.
Thank you. Chairman Kwame Bafo, Brown Regional Chairman, ma MPP, a friend say Abronye, Kwesi Julius Kwesi Debra Papa, and Adekye J, Deputy Brown Regional Communications Officer, and ma NDC, Sumakrachi, quick one. Uber Kansem now.
Once a Kwame Kansem, be named the Pa, or Yisikadi example, so Busian for a trainer also. Na tete kwa kana se tete kwa she community koko fi Fernando Pono na busuan phone the Google board. That is the logic.
Who told you sir? Who told you sir?
I will go back there.
Who fan of Duma?
Thank you. And you did so thank you. Madam say
press conference let's family and friend na. Monya press conference in chair how to write the manifesto.
Thank you. Okay, Muni enti pamocho ya damwa say yes sorry so Madam Magbo collections I say e won pabwa fe o de ama me de ateme combination also come Magbo collection na ko jim pabwa na onso krochia krocha magbo mpaboa no so de ne share de pa hu sa na chi akwan so nya ya kwan ye Pig Farm Ultra di Pele Plaza na omo main station no na akọ nim kakra bi onsa benkum so obehu say abronsan kese wo hostel so miensa ya painting blue navy blue sa no magbo mpaboa nkwa empeni nkwada ma ne mema 0244211491 opese wo ye grooming say wo ye pedicure wo ye manicure na wo fix wo eyelash na wo hia body massage na ye wax wo eyebrow ama wo no ko studio fix why fe wonum e wo 0202966553 enti ye beda wo manse papa pana ye sister Suzy bi wo kumase sister Suzy a wo kumase na ye wa woda enti wadan for penny so ma happy birthday midi e de ya kunama nyame ya doma wo china Adekye Nsroma besia ba onyame nhira onti nanim nchiro ensi wiye nensi unsa no adwuma yie ya kramo bye bye.